Well, today we're having our Second Annual Industry Expo. And this event came about at the request of our members in order to provide a service so that local plants can connect with local suppliers. So on display here today are all of the key industrial suppliers, contractors, and things you might need for the next generation in technology, to find solutions to improve safety and efficiency in the plants. So there's a wide offering. So by signing up for a booth for our next show, your benefit would be that we have a big contingency of our industrial plant members who come through, and they will be exposed to your products. I believe we have over 500 people registered to come today, and we have 95 booths, and it's a great turnout and a great opportunity to network and to promote your products and services.
This is the second year we've done this. We've been planning it since about April. It's a committee that comes together to put this event on. We invite all of the industry professionals, the plant workers, the plant managers, maintenance personnel, a lot of great exhibitors here from all over the different industries that we serve, contractors, suppliers, safety personnel. It's a great event for people in the industry to come out, learn more about what we can provide you as professionals serving this great industry. So it's very educational. You can come, you can speak to anybody that's at the booths, learn more about what the services are that they provide. A lot of times you can get information on things that you may have not known that they do provide. It exposes you to a lot of companies that do provide services at one place, which is really beneficial. And it gives us as exhibitors the opportunity to meet a lot of people that we want to try to get in front of to explain exactly what it is we do. We started last year as, again, the first year. We didn't know what to expect. We had some goals in place. We really reached those goals quickly. This year as a planning committee, we decided to increase the number of exhibitors with the concern that we didn't know if we would meet those goals. We met them and potentially could have exceeded them if we would have had more space. Next year we're looking at growing it even more, and we just think this is going to be a great event that's going to continue to grow.
So we got over 120 vendors and contractors here today, and we're in Ascension Parish. And Ascension Parish has probably benefited most of all from the industrial footprint that's here. Ascension Parish schools are the best in the state. Ascension Parish is the wealthiest in the state. Those are not, that's not a coincidence.
So today we're at the Industry Day that GBRIA presented, and we've got about 80 exhibitors. It's been a really good show today. This is our second year. It's twice as big as it was last year. I've met a lot of people in the plants, which is the main goal. GBRIA does a really good job of getting plant members to come to the event. I sit on about 20 different boards and committees in the state of Louisiana, and this is one of the better associations to be a part of is GBRIA. So I'd strongly encourage, if you're not a member of GBRIA, to become a member and get involved, because the more you put into something, the more you get out of it. But this has been a really good event today, and we're looking forward to next year already.